Welcome to our BBQ beef rib factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how millions of BBQ beef ribs are prepared.
Send the next pallet down to Station 3. We need to clear this bay. Confirmed. Sending it now. To achieve the perfect flavor profile, we utilize a precise blend of paprika, black pepper, and secret herbs. Ratio levels are fluctuating slightly. Adjust the flow rate on channel 3. Confirmed. Levels are stabilizing now. Each batch is cooked slowly to achieve tenderness and rich BBQ flavor.
Every package is inspected before leaving the facility.
And that's how millions of BBQ beef ribs are prepared, smoked, and packaged for BBQ lovers around the world.